Verification. Most of our calls on this subject is usually after an inspection defect note has been issued. Now, when chatting to some of the inspectors about this subject, they all say pretty well much the same thing. Visual inspection is highly important. In fact, at our member nights, the Western Power inspectors have told us that 80% of defects they issue are from this area. I could yak on about this forever, but just remember the things you look for. If they had teeth, they would probably jump out and bite you. At the switchboard, loose terminal screws. Making sure you have the internal wiring fitted off correctly, and a loose terminal will end up a hotspot that could cause damage to other wiring and ultimately create a fire in the switchboard. Many a home has been destroyed by faulty wiring in the switchboard. If it's a three-phase installation, ensure you have that internal wiring neat and tidy. Make sure the labelling is correct and legible. Go through each step for compliance and understand that it is mandatory to test the earth continuity, the insulation resistance, polarity and correct circuit connections, as well as verification of impedance required for automatic disconnection of supply, which includes the correct operation of the RCDs or RCBOs. Familiarise yourself with the sequence of tests laid out in the wiring rules as a block diagram. Understand the readings you would expect to get when testing with your testing equipment. A great example is one test on the continuity of the main earth conductor. So the main earth conductor from the main earth terminal at the earth bar to the earth terminal, electrode rather, it could be just below the switchboard or 10 metres away. You will need a trailing lead with a known resistance and an alligator clip on both ends attached to one lead of your ohm meter. You need to remove the MEN link and the other to the earth electrode. You will now have a loop of the main earth conductor and the trailing lead in series. The reading must be under 0.5 of an ohm. If you're not sure of any of these procedures, brush up on them.